So, similar to the previous video, the same thing may easily happen to white, as this next game will show. Checkmate game number 14, Petrov's Defense, made-up variation. Pawn, king 4, pawn, king 4, knight, king, bishop 3, knight, king, bishop 3, knight takes pawn, knight, bishop 3. Black could have easily recaptured the pawn via 3, pawn, queen 4, and then knight, pawn, queen 3, and then knight takes pawn. The next move allows white to keep the pawn, but at the expense of his development. Knight takes knight, queen pawn takes knight. White has time enough to defend his king pawn, but as a compensation for the sacrificed pawn, black has had already 3 minor pieces in action, whereas white has only 1. Pawn, queen 3, king, bishop, bishop 4, bishop, knight 5, knight takes pawn. This brilliant sacrifice leaves white quite defenseless. We'll look at some options in a moment. Bishop takes queen, bishop takes pawn check, king to king 2, bishop to knight 5 mate. Now, if we back up to white's 7th move here, instead of taking, it could be pawn, instead of taking the queen, pawn takes knight, bishop takes pawn check, king, king 2, bishop, knight 5 check, king takes bishop, queen takes queen and wins.